Hi everyone, welcome back to our 30-day English challenge. I'm Rahul.
And I'm Sneha. Today is day 14, and we are going to talk about something everyone loves. Vacations.
Planning a trip is fun, but you need the right words to describe what you want so you don't get confused.
That's right. Let's listen to a short conversation between two friends, Sam and Lily. They are planning a summer getaway. Listen closely.
Lily, have you thought about our summer trip yet?
I have. I was thinking about a beach holiday, maybe Bali.
Bali sounds pricey. I was hoping for something more budget-friendly.
Oh, I see. What about a road trip to the mountains?
That sounds like a plan. We can split the cost of gas and stay in a small cabin.
Great idea. I'll look into some locations tonight.
Perfect. No rush, just let me know what you find.
That was a great chat. Sneha, pricey is a word I hear a lot. What does it mean exactly?
Well, Rahul, pricey is just a more natural way to say expensive. If a hotel costs too much, you can say, that place is a bit pricey.
Got it. And Sam wanted something budget-friendly.
Exactly. Budget-friendly means it fits your budget. It's not too expensive. It's a very positive word to use.
I also liked when Lily said she would look into locations.
Yes, to look into something means to research it or get more information.
And don't forget, no rush. It means take your time.
The outro.
Now it's your turn. Where do you want to go on your next vacation?
Tell us in the comments. And remember to type the word vacation so we know you are following the 30-day challenge.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for day 15.
Happy learning, everyone. Bye.